So if you take the if you assumed your coordinate system as like this, x y x y
Y.
x y, right? So if your vector may be along like this, right?
Yes, sir.
If you have your vector along like this, which is parallel to the x axis, so which
Yes,
represent only one direction, right?
Yes, sir.
Or if your vector is maybe along like this, along y axis
Yes.
means, or parallel to the y axis means, it represent only one direction. But
Yes,
we
sir.
not have always like this, right?
Yes, sir.
You may get the vectors like this, right?
Yes, sir.
You may get the vectors like this, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
this vector, the single vector can be split as a two vector along x and along y,
Yes, sir.
along x and along y with same effect as this vector produced by alone. So இந்த வெக்டர் என்ன எஃபெக்ட் என்ன ப்ராப்பர்ட்டி இருக்கோ சேம் ப்ராப்பர்ட்டி தான் இந்த வெக்டருக்கும் இருக்கும்.
Okay, sir.
Like this splitting of vector is nothing but the resolution of vector.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so the
The
vector
component.
yeah, that is called component of vector.
Okay.
That only I am going to say next word.
Okay.
The vectors into which the given single vector is split are called the components of vector. Okay,
Yes,
so exactly we can say this is nothing but the just opposite to the composition of vectors, right?
Yes.
Composition of vector f is nothing but maybe f cos theta or f sin theta, f cos theta and f sin
Theta
theta.
வருது. Yes, the theta redum cos theta ன்னு சொல்லுவாங்க.
Yeah. Okay, so why we are resolving எதுக்காக நம்ம ரிசால்வ் பண்ணணும், எதுக்காக நம்ம ஸ்ப்ளிட் பண்ணணும், எதுக்காக காம்போனன்ட்ஸ் ஆஃப் வெக்டரை ஃபைண்ட் பண்ணணும் அப்படின்னா, simply just we can take a small example. Okay, so just we can assume we have the one surface, frictionless surface. Okay, smooth surface nu vechungo. Okay,
Okay, sir.
just we are going to keep one small block here, small block. Now
Yes, sir.
just you are tied with one thread and you are giving your force this directions, this box has mass, heavy mass. Okay, it has heavy mass, so this box has heavy mass m. Okay,
Sir.
it's audible, right? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Audible, sir.
So இந்த பாக்ஸ் உடைய மாஸ் வந்து கேபிட்டல் m வச்சுக்கலாம், which is a heavy mass
Yes.
object. Okay, now you are
Okay, sir.
applying your force like this, throw this vector. Okay, so this is your direction of
Yes,
your
sir.
applied force. Due to this
Yes,
applied force, that box may get moved from this. If you take this point A, it may be moved from point B, right?
Yes, sir.
Correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, because you can't lift it because it has heavy mass, so you are applying some force. Due to that applied force, your object is moved on the frictionless surface, right?
Yes, sir.
But your applied force is like this, but your object moving is horizontal, right?
Yes, sir.
That means there is a hidden force acting along the horizontal.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that force is act as a same effect of this your applied force. Our
Yes,
aim is
sir.
to move, right? Our aim is to move,
Yes, sir.
but similar effect you are getting this horizontal force also, right?
Horizontal direction. Yes,
Horizontal direction, right? That means there is
Yes.
something is hidden that is responsible for moving horizontal motion, right? That
Yes,
is
sir.
causes of horizontal motion. Okay,
Yes,
so
sir.
that we need to find, right? So
Yes, sir.
to understand like this problem, we are resolving the particular single vector. Okay,
Okay, sir.
so this we can understand simply. Just we are going to assume some components. Okay, just we are going to derive how to resolve this. Okay, So maximum எங்க யூஸ் பண்ணீங்கன்னா electric field, magnetic field, in mechanics also many many places we will use. Okay, so just we are going to assume this point as a P. Okay,
சார் வெர்டிக்கல் காம்பனன்ட் வந்து கிராவிடேஷன் ஃபோர்ஸ் கேன்சல் பண்ணிடுவாங்க சார், அதனால வெர்டிக்கல் டைரக்ஷனில் மூவ் ஆகலைங்க.
இருக்கு ஹியர் ஹியர் வந்து என்ன ஆகும்னா we will have the downward force mg, right?
ஹரிசாண்டல் மட்டும் தானங்க சார்?
ஹரிசாண்டல்ல மூவ் ஆயிருக்கியா, அதுக்கு வந்து ஒரு ஃபோர்ஸ் ரெஸ்பான்சிபிள் சொன்னா ஹலோ
எஸ் சார்.
vertical, why here not vertical motion means there is a normal force, right?
எஸ்
This both will be opposite direction, so there will be a equilibrium. அதனால there is no motion in along the horizontal vertical.
சார் நார்மலும் வெர்டிக்கலும் ஒன்று தானாங்க சார்?
Yeah, normal and vertical same only.
ஓகே சார்.
Okay, so அதனால தான் இங்கே வந்து நார்மல் ஃபோர்ஸ், இந்த நார்மல் ஃபோர்ஸ் வந்து will be get cancelled by the mg. Okay,
எஸ்.
ஸோ இது எல்லாமே வந்து நம்ம வந்து மெக்கானிக்ஸ் அங்கே போகும்போது நிறைய டிஸ்கஸ் பண்ணுவோம், அப்போ யூ வில் கெட் ஐடியா. ஓகே, now just we are going to focus only to find
Okay,
the
sir, yes.
that components of vector. Okay, so we assume this is
Yes,
the point to P and this is the point O. Okay, now
எஸ் சார்.
just we are going to let a force F is acting from P to Q. We can take it as a P to Q. Just we are assuming that P
Yes.
to Q. Okay,
எஸ் சார்.
and we want to know the force in the direction of horizontal, right? So
Yes, sir.
in the direction ஏதோ ஒரு force இருக்குன்னு தெரியுது, அந்த force கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். கரெக்டா? just we will assume R. So at the same time we will draw one more direction S. Okay, so we want to know what is the force in the direction of PR and PS. Okay, but there is no
Yes,
effect in this place PS. there is no effect. PS நால எந்த எஃபெக்ட்டும் இந்த பிளேசஸ்ல மட்டும்தான் இல்லை, பட் some other places there may be, right? So we need to
Yes,
find,
sir.
we need to find what is the responsible, right? So here PR which makes an angle theta, right? So
Yes,
இப்போ என்ன பண்றோம், just we are going to draw the line. We can take it, here is the 90 degree, so right angle, so it will make the right angle. In right angle delta PQR, right? In right angle PQR, just to
Yes, sir,
apply,
yes, sir.
just to apply cos theta is nothing but what? Opposite by or adjacent by hypotenuse. PR by
Yes, sir.
PQ, right?
PQ, sir.
So which is nothing but what?
Yes, sir.
From that we can find force along PR, that is equal to F. PQ is nothing but F vector cos theta, right? So which is the horizontal
Yes,
force?
sir.
Which is the horizontal component? Which is the horizontal component?
Yes, sir.
Component that is equal to F cos theta. Similar, we have the, if you apply the sin theta is nothing but what? Opposite, right? RQ divided by PQ. So if you find RQ,
Yes, sir.
that is equal to F into sin theta. That is the vertical
Yes, sir.
component, right?
Yes, sir.
The vertical component. So that is equal to F sin theta, right?
Yes, sir.
F sin theta. So F sin theta